The hormonal control of the menstrual cycle helps maximize the chance of successful reproduction. There are three major reasons. First, to ensure one ovum is released at a time. After ovulation, high levels of estrogen and progesterone together inhibits FSH and LH secretion. This prevents the maturation of another follicle and ensures only one ovum is released in each cycle. This will result in a higher survival chance of the fetus and avoid wasting energy if a number of follicles develop at the same time. Second, to prepare for implantation. Before ovulation, estrogen is secreted by the developing follicles. After ovulation, estrogen and progesterone are secreted by the yellow body. Both estrogen and progesterone stimulates the thickening of the uterine lining to prepare for implantation of the embryo. Third, to prepare for the next possible pregnancy. If no fertilization occurs, the yellow body will degenerate around 10 days after ovulation. The subsequent fall in estrogen and progesterone levels cause menstruation to occur and the pituitary gland to secrete more FSH again. The menstrual cycle repeats to prepare for the next possible pregnancy. When a woman reaches the age of 45 to 55, her ovaries becomes less sensitive to FSH and LH and produce less estrogen and progesterone. This makes menstruation becomes irregular and eventually stop. When a woman has not had menstruation for over a year, she is said to have reached menopause. The low-level estrogen in blood results in physiological and psychological changes in the body, such as osteoporosis and mood swings. Since the menstruation cycle is controlled by hormones, we can use the hormones as contraceptives or in the treatment of infertility. Contraceptive pills contain synthetic progesterone or combination of synthetic estrogen and progesterone. High levels of these hormones in the blood inhibits FSH and LH secretion. From the pituitary gland, follicle development and ovulation do not occur at low levels of FSH and LH. Therefore, no ova are released into the oviducts for fertilization. A woman should take the pills daily for 21 days, starting from time of menstruation, and then stop taking them for 7 days. This results in a fall of estrogen and progesterone levels in the blood that causes menstruation to occur. In this way, the menstrual cycle is artificially maintained. Contraceptive patches and injections also contain synthetic hormones and work like contraceptive pills. Morning after pills help prevent pregnancy after sexual intercourse. They contain a high dose of synthetic progesterone or combination of synthetic estrogen and progesterone, which prevents ovulation and implantation. They should be taken within 72 hours after sexual intercourse. These pills are not for regular use and must be prescribed by doctors. Using hormones as contraceptives have effectiveness as high as 99.9%. However, the hormones can cause side effects such as irregular menstruation, nausea, weight gain, and headaches. Before a woman starts to use hormone as contraceptives, she should consult a doctor to see whether her health conditions allow such use. She should also have regular medical checkups while using them. A couple is said to be infertile if pregnancy does not occur after 1 year of regular and unprotected sexual intercourse. In Hong Kong, about 1 in every 6 couple has difficulty in getting pregnant. Infertility may be caused by problems in the male or female reproductive system. For example, in males, if he does not produce enough sperm, the sperms have low motility, or the sperms have structural defects. In the female, if she fails to release ova from the ovaries, her oviducts are blocked, or the uterine environment does not allow implantation to occur. One way to treat infertility in women is to take fertility drugs. These drugs contain hormones that serve the following functions. If a woman fails to produce mature ova, FSH can be taken to stimulate follicle development. If she fails to release ova from the ovaries, LH can be used to stimulate ovulation. If the uterine environment does not allow implantation to occur, the female can take synthetic estrogen and progesterone to stimulate the thickening of the uterine lining to prepare for implantation of the embryo. Unlike estrogen and progesterone, FSH and LH cannot be synthesized artificially. FSH is usually extracted from the blood or urine of women who are about to reach menopause. LH is sometimes replaced by HCG obtained from the placenta after birth. Taking fertility drugs often results in multiple births. It is because the drug stimulates a number of follicles to mature and the release of more than one ovum. Drugs containing FSH are also used in vitro fertilization, IVF. The drug promotes the development of a number of follicles so that more ova can be extracted from the female body. The ova are fertilized and several embryos are formed and transferred back to the uterus. This increases the chance of successful implantation but may result in multiple births. Sex hormones are related to the project. As crustacean females' sex hormones, CFSH, which is considered a female-specific hormone, has been shown to play a crucial role in presenting female characteristics in crabs. In a study, it is found that CFSH is important in stopping the development of androgenic gland. An androgenic gland in crab is responsible to release male sex hormone and develop male sexual characteristics. Therefore, the suppression of androgenic gland in crabs will stop development of male features and only present female features. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.